In this quick guide, you'll learn how to add a co-host on Vrbo. If you're familiar with platforms like Airbnb, you might be expecting a straightforward co-hosting feature. However, Vrbo operates a bit differently, and while it doesn't offer a native co-host feature, there are still ways you can manage your property with the help of others. Let's dive into the best way to collaborate with a co-host on Vrbo. Firstly, it's important to understand that Vrbo doesn't currently support a direct method for adding a co-host like you might find elsewhere. This means you can't simply invite someone to manage your listing with their own separate login. Instead, you'll need to share your main login credentials with the person you want to act as a co-host. Before you do this, make sure you trust the person completely, as they will have access to all of your account details and the ability to make changes to your listing. Once you've decided to share your credentials, it's a good idea to communicate clearly with your co-host about their responsibilities. Define what tasks they will handle, such as communicating with guests, updating the calendar, or managing cleaning schedules. This clarity helps ensure that both you and your co-host are on the same page, preventing any misunderstandings down the line. Now, to share your login details safely, consider using a password manager. This allows you to securely share access without exposing your actual password. There are several reliable password managers available that offer this feature, giving you peace of mind when sharing sensitive information. After your co-host has access, it might be helpful to walk them through the Vrbo dashboard if they're unfamiliar with it. Highlight key areas such as the inbox for guest messages, the calendar for booking updates, and the settings where they can manage property details. A brief orientation can go a long way in helping them feel confident in managing the listing. Additionally, set up regular check-ins with your co-host. These can be weekly or monthly meetings to discuss upcoming bookings, guest reviews, and any issues that need addressing. Regular communication ensures that everything runs smoothly and that your co-host feels supported in their role. While sharing login credentials might not be the ideal solution, it's currently the most effective way to add a co-host on Vrbo. Keep an eye out for future updates from Vrbo, as they may introduce a more streamlined co-hosting feature down the line. In the meantime, with careful planning and communication, you can successfully manage your property with the help of a trusted co-host. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on how to add a co-host on Vrbo. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your vacation rental. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy hosting!